There was Ash's No Vegetable song. Hello guys, we're up there. We're going up there later, but right now on this camera, oh, we got a bit of smudge, got a bit of smush. Right now on this camera we are going to just to the mall. Gosh, sorry, it's been a while since I've done it. My flowing of words is not working. Coffee has run out in the apartment. So yes, we need to go get some more coffee, definitely.
You need power, you need to eat meat, no vegetables in here.
There was Ash's No Vegetable song. Anyway, just over here, we can see from up there, can't see them anymore. Like we're like a family of 3 otters were there. And then right next to that, which is still there, but you probably can't see it, is a monitor lizard. And also from here we get like this eagle. It's like a brown eagle. There's actually a pair of them with like a white head. So yeah, it's quite, and there's also kingfishers down there. I've seen kingfisher birds down there as well. So it's quite what is it, natural? No, natural's not really the word. Eco, I don't know, it's something. It's something. It's got animals, but it's a city. It's an animal city. There we go. Okay, anyway, we're going to Bukit Bintang, or what I like to call Kuala Lumpur Piccadilly, because it's got like these big billboard light LED things. I need more coffee.
And then we're going to see the princess and the view from the princess, which is called Menara, but it's such a beautiful tower that lights up our view from the balcony and shines with little sparkles in various colors that I just started calling her Princess Menara of Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we're going downtown. Going down there on the, no, this is the wrong way.
Oh, yeah.
I was following Asha, we went down the underground.
Maybe we can go this way.
We actually want the monorail.
So used to.
No, we want the monorail. Okay, hang on, we need to work out where we're going. Okay guys, so don't worry, I got myself a coffee, so I should be back with you soon. Unfortunately, I got it at the shop that was down there, so that was 4 ringgit. Doesn't sound like much, right? Doesn't sound like much. But then you come out of the shop and there's a little vending machine and it's 2.80. And I paid 4 just next door, like literally 10 steps. I even looked at the vending machine going, nah, the vending machine will be more expensive.
Because yeah, in Europe usually vending machines are like the fast thing, so you just pay fast. Monorail.
And it doesn't really matter, like it's not much different. You know, it's like 50p different, by the way. You know, it's not that big a deal, guys, but you know,
but it adds up.
But I could have had 2 of these instead of 1, for example. 2, I could have had 2. And then Asha would have to catch me.
I could have 1 as well.
No. Okay, we made it. We made it to the monorail anyway. Don't worry, I've had coffee as well now. And we are here. We are going up here. Let's go, monorail. So we are going to Bukit Bintang. Bukit Bintang. This is where we are now. There's only 2 stops on the monorail. Monorails are pretty interesting because they like go over the top of all the everything. so you kind of see a lot. And then also, usually on the back, I've noticed you can actually see out. The other thing is, sometimes the seats are in the middle of the carriage, and you actually look out, like these guys do. So you look out. So you know, it's a better experience. I think it's a better experience. It means there's less seating for people, but like you get to sit and like look at the world go past, which is great. Gosh, this mask is really difficult. So yeah, we'll wait for that. We've got how long? It doesn't tell you. No, it doesn't say. Okay, we'll just wait for that to happen. Okay guys, so we survived the monorail. Pretty easy really. Can we survive them all? That's the question. I think I may be going eventually into H&M, and I am looking for shoes as well. Because, as I've discussed before, you know, shoes may be an issue in everywhere in Southeast Asia. So might as well, while we're here, while there's all these malls, they may just offer me solace in my big-footed adventure. Yeah, we'll try. Oh yeah, this is Bukit Bintang. Okay, so it turns out we need to go through the mall to get out of here. If you don't know, Malaysians and Singaporeans love their malls. There's, I don't know, like I couldn't even count how many malls there would be here in Kuala Lumpur. But it's a lot. 10, 20, 30, 40, I don't know. I literally, it felt like you walk in any direction, like maybe 100 to 200 meters, there's probably a mall there. Which is great, but also like, you know, it makes me a little bit uneasy because I don't want to be spending all my money here. Wow, this fashion's nice though. Fashion. So we didn't quite escape the mall unscathed. Well, didn't actually buy anything, but I think Ash is going to come back. We're trying to get out to get food, and Ash is stopping looking at dresses. But you know, that's alright, that's alright.
This is really good, I think.
Yeah, they were quite cool clothes actually. I mean, all for women.
Like
Yeah, we got to get out of here because I'm looking at stuff. Well, we don't have, yeah, literally, like it all starts to suck you in. And I think we're, oh yeah. Yeah, so there it looked like you can make your own, I think it's called Bear or something. Bear. But yeah, we've got to get out of here because already I started looking at things. And really just all the colours and everything just really draw you in. There's a lot going on, you know. So this is Bukit Bintang. Oh, look at it all. It's, like I said, you know, it's kind of like Piccadilly Circus mixed with Times Square. There's all these signs and things. I want to go to Sports Direct, which is over there. But yeah, I've seen it before. Kind of like a mix between Piccadilly and Times Square. I think like having the traffic right in the middle of it kind of lets it down a little bit. But that's okay. I just got a free tea. She's now a Lipton Queen.
very sweet. Like it's sweeter than in India, to be honest. It's like milky. I was hoping that Lipton would be like lemony.
Okay, so now we're actually trying to find some food and not get sucked into all the commerce. We're going this way anyway, actually. Okay, come join us. Okay guys, we escaped the mallness, and now we're looking for some foodiness. There's some foodiness over there, I can see. I think I'm going to suggest going over there.
Local knowledge, some ladies were collecting the flowers, and I think it's a wild rose because we have something like that in Poland. So you don't eat it, but it's a really nice smell, so you can maybe put it with your stuff, or I don't know, in your wardrobe. Like local knowledge.
Local knowledge berries on the street. I just saw this here, over here. That looks like food, yeah. Over here?
This is where we went last time.
Is it?
It's the same market.
Ah. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it is too. Okay, so we're going back to, I think it's called Alor Road, Alor Street. Which is basically we're all like it's like an outdoor market. I thought it was only a night food market thing, but it looks like it's a day thing as well. So we're maybe going there for lunch somewhere. Alor.